Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, after this whole operation, the grid lines should disappear. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the restore defaults option, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we actually immediately got back to the camera, and here we've got actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because the camera will ask you to access your location, and that's the thing your camera will ask you if you're opening for the very first time. So you can of course deny it or allow it. And here we've got the second evidence, so there are no grid lines, which simply means again that we successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.